What's up guys? My name is Olivia, also known as Jetlag Liv. If you've been following along this channel for a while, then you'll know that I love doing travel gear reviews and luggage reviews, any type of review that I can to help enhance the travel experience for anyone. In doing so, you've seen me do a lot of luggage reviews in the past. There's just one problem. Luggage can be expensive, so I hope I've found the solution. Today, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a review of a hopefully high quality suitcase at a lower price point that's still going to be kind of an investment. All good luggage really will be an investment, but hopefully not only is this price point gonna be good, but I also have a discount for you guys to get additional money off. 1 second. Ugh. Today, we're going to be checking out Aerotrunk's Pangolin carry-on suitcase that's supposed to be perfect for digital nomads. And we're gonna find out right here, right now, and see what the suitcase is really about. Thank you, Aerotrunk, for sending me out this suitcase and getting me a commission code for all of you guys if you're interested in shopping right on Amazon. But ultimately, you know I'm gonna give my honest, brutal, if need be, and truthful review of the suitcase. Let's see what it is. Let's get right into it and get started. Oh, God. Hydration break. All right, let's get right into this unboxing. How do we, let's flip it. The box itself is heavy. I hope the suitcase is not. All right, here we go. Ooh, cool. Right off of the bat, tap your, there's like a little sticker here. Tap with your phone to claim your free extended 3-year warranty. Cool. Also, right off the bat, there is instructions on how to set the lock. So that's good, there's a TSA lock. Okay. I want you guys to see it first. Ooh, it comes in a dust cover. Okay. It's pretty luxe. Oh my God. Okay, we're going to show you guys first. You get to see first. I got the black, just because I don't have a black suitcase. I thought it'd be so sleek. How does it look? Ooh! Oh, shoot. Hold on. Wait, this is nice. Okay, let me take it all out before we can. I like the ridge design, I really do. Oh wait, that's so nice! Oh my God, that's so nice. Okay. Whoa. Okay, I also don't have a suitcase with the laptop compartment, which is what this is on the outside. First impressions, it's so sleek and it is well made. This polycarbonate is comparable to other higher brand suitcases that I've dealt with. Wow, okay, I'm gonna save that. Let's get into this. Oh my God. Okay, right off of the bat, I did read that, yep, these are really high quality Japanese wheels that have the silent roll. Let's do a roll test. That's quiet. Do you hear that? Listen. It's almost like it rolls so, look at that. It rolls so easily. So when this is full, oh my God, that's gonna be amazing. It also has the YKK zippers, which are super high quality zippers. And then that laptop compartment, which, seriously, I've not been this excited about a piece of luggage in a long time. This is so nice. Okay, I'm gonna crack her open because I really wanna see what she's got. Like storage wise. This is a little lock instructions to set your own. So I'm going right in. I'm going in. We're going in. Nice zippers, easy. Here we go. You're kidding me. Oh my God, this is nice. This is so nice. This is like, guys, this is a dupe. For like Away or Monos luggage, this is a dupe. What? Check this out. So inside, they've got this zipper pocket and the compression system that you can unbuckle these. You'll flip this back and then put your clothes in here and then use that to compress everything in. You've seen that technology before. It's really game changing. And then this one is just a simple insert, like it's just a simple pocket that goes deep into the bag. But also this right here, this added storage, that's perfect. You could put your hairbrush in here, a pair of shoes, you can put any extra jewelry, anything you want in those pockets. That's so awesome. You'll also see they sent me some packing cubes, which I'll go in later. The review is mostly about the suitcase, right? Like, is it worth it? And we'll check out their compression packing cubes too, but that technology is so nice. These are high, it feels like a seatbelt. These buckles here, they feel like a seatbelt. They're high quality. Like the plastic on here, the zippers, the cloth, the material they used inside is not going to break after 5 uses, 10 uses. It's here to stay. I really like that. I'm not really sure why this kind of goes up a little bit. Can you see that? Like, it kind of, I don't know what the purpose, oh, wait a sec. Oh, wait a second. There's like another zipper there. Is this a compression? Is this a compression one? Oh, it does! That's why it's like that. Look! Okay, this extra is an expandable or compressible zipper. And you unzip it, and this here expands, giving you an extra 1.5 to 2 inches of storage space. I want to see what that looks like closed. I like that. That's like what suitcases used to have, and now they're getting like very structured and not so much room to expand or collapse. Like old suitcases used to have that. My suitcase that I had when I was like 8 that I continued to have until I was in my 20s. Yeah, that suitcase had this. Throwback! Look at that storage! That's so much extra storage. I kind of love that. Like, I kind of love that. Of course, the reason I selected this bag is for this laptop compartment. I haven't opened it yet. Let's do it. Okay, we go all the way. I didn't know it would go all the way down like that. It goes all the way to the bottom of the zipper. I feel like some of them stop here and it's just kind of like an accordion fold. Like that kind of fold. Oh my God, look at this. Oh, I gotta bring you guys in, check this out. Okay, there is added pockets that are padded and protected in here. Everything is very cushy, it feels like knee pads. Everything's very cushy and added protection. So I could put, let's say, SD cards in here, an external hard drive, cords, wires, whatever it may be. This is probably like a little, oh, like a little information bag. I'll check that out in a sec. But look at, oh, whoa, this itself is can you hear that? It's padded. We've got a pocket here, another pocket there that really stretches, and then a pocket insert here. This is also padded. This almost feels like wetsuit material, you know, like the neoprene that's really padded and cushy. Feels thick, feels protected. Let me try and put my laptop in here because I really want to see if it'll fit my, I think I have the 13-inch MacBook Pro. Let's check it out. Put this guy in here. I'm gonna assume you would just put it at the bottom here. Oh my gosh, it matches the inserts. Put it in there like that. Oh my God, it makes it look so tiny. Can you see that? Check that out. There's like this much room. Maybe you have like a Chromebook that's bigger or some sort of different laptop that's large, or maybe an iPad that's large. It could go in there easily. And then extra storage for everything. I'm gonna zip it up and see if it's, see what it looks like. It's occupied and you can't. That's awesome. Oh my God. And I really do love the black. It's timeless. It's really timeless. I love this suitcase. It's a good handle. Oh, I do want to check out this and see what the citrus this is. Because my mono's handle, they broke. Like this button, if you so much as like look at it, the thing will fall on my mono suitcase. So let's see if this is well made. Little wiggle room there. Let's see, height-wise. Oh dang, that's pretty tall. I guess if you're like taller, that's like very tall. That's past my waist. Let's see, let's take a look at this. Why they included this in there. Yeah, okay, so these are one of those magic eraser scrubbers. You get it wet and then you scrape to get off the probably scuffs or stuff like that. You would scrub that off. But what else do they have in here? Let's see. Oh, they put a little luggage tag. That's cool, that's nice. It's like, I think it's leather. Okay, so this is information on how to set the luggage locks, which are TSA approved, so that's good. Cool, everything about your new suitcase right here. Plus inside is a free gift if you want it. Let's see, do I want it?
Hi, this is Young. And I'm Amanda. Together we're the founders of Aerotrunk, tenacious trucks with next level organization. On the front of this card is a QR code to scan with all the instructions needed for your new suitcase. Also, to welcome you to the Aerotrunk family, we are giving away one free travel adapter per order so you can stay charged on your next grand adventure. Simply go to aerotrunk.com/adapter and send us your details so we can get it over to you. You might be wondering, at Aerotrunk, we want to make happy travelers even happier. We hope your new luggage is everything you wanted and is a trusted companion on all your adventures.
That was so cool. That was in this card thing. You just pop it open.
This is
Yonku and
This is Young. And I'm Amanda.
Yonku and Amanda, you slayed that. Are you kidding me? That was the cool. Did they need to do that? No. Did they do it and slay? Yes. That was so cool. I've never had anything like that on an Amazon purchase before. That's so awesome. And they're giving away a free travel adapter. Those are like 10 bucks. And you need them if you travel abroad. That's so cool. Oh my God, what a nice touch. Okay, you guys, I am extremely impressed with this suitcase. Not only did it hold up to comparable ones that at a larger price point, it kind of blew me away with not only the customer service and that card, Yanka and Amanda, thank you, love you, but the actual additional parts of the suitcase that I haven't seen elsewhere, like the individualized pockets, like the storage system inside and in the laptop compartment. So cool. Cannot wait to use this. I'm going to be using it on a trip coming up soon, which I'm super excited about. I want to take this out for this is so chic. Is it not so chic? I love it. I'm so excited to use this. And the size is your typical carry-on suitcase size, which I really like. I'm not trying to get in trouble. I'm not trying to check a bag. I'm trying to keep everything right there with me in the overhead bin. And this is your typical size for an international/domestic flight. Thank God. I would love to hear what you guys think about this luggage too. If you're looking for affordable but high quality luggage, I think we found a winner, that was my prediction, and I hoped that we found a winner, and I think that we did, and I'm so excited to see you guys rocking your Aerotrunk. But you don't have to. If you've got luggage that works for you, it works for you. Everybody has their own preferences. This just happens to be fitting every single one. This checks every one of my boxes. This fits all of my criteria that I need as a digital nomad, and I'm obsessed with this. Thank you guys so much for watching. That's all I have for you in this luggage unboxing review. Maybe I'll do a pack with me soon, and we can see just how much this guy fits with these cool packing cubes that they sent me that are compression. Let me just see. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and support the channel by shopping the link to grab yourself one of these suitcases, or just comment down below and say, hey, how you doing, girl? And I'll be like, slay, I'm doing good. How about you? Oh, these are really nice. These are really well made. Oh my God, that's a whole thing in and of itself. Or maybe I can make a short doing a little review of these, but that's the video for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Safe travel to you and yours. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.